Learn the names of shapes in Arabic with a quiz test.
Question 1. Which of the following is kalb? Is it the rectangle or the heart? Answer, heart. That's correct. Amazing job. Keep it up. Question 2. Which of the following is mrabba? Is it the circle or the square? Square. Well done. You're doing great. Question 3. Which of the following is mustatil? Is it the triangle or the rectangle? Rectangle. Spot on. Keep going. Question 4. Which of the following is nejma? Is it the crescent or the star? Answer, star. Perfect. You're shining bright. Question 5. Which of the following is hilal? Is it the crescent or the rectangle? Crescent. That's absolutely right. Fantastic work.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.